This video demonstrates how to use D2L Lumi Idea to generate assignment ideas. You can use Lumi Idea for assignments to assist in creating a new assignment or to modify and uplift an existing assignment. Note that the selected content must be one of the following: an HTML topic, a media topic with captions in English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, or Dutch, or most file types, including PDF. In the module where you want to create an assignment, click Create New, then select Assignment. On the New Assignment page, click Generate Assignment Ideas. Select the number of ideas you want to generate. Optionally, select a Bloom's taxonomy level appropriate for your assessment goals. You can also add custom instructions to specify the focus, tone, audience, or style when generating ideas. For the idea source, select custom text to include your own activity ideas, or select course activities to include all course activities, or select specific course activities, then click Apply. Click Generate. Select an assignment idea and click Insert. The generated assignment idea is added to the instructions field. Complete your assignment details, such as the assignment title. Make the assignment visible, then click Save and Close. Your assignment appears in the module. Learners do not see that the assignment was AI generated. Now, you know how to use Lumi Idea to generate new assignment ideas or enhance existing assignments. Thank you for watching.